Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare how to make cheesecake versus chocolate. We'll explore the fundamental steps and unique challenges of each dessert. Understanding these differences will help you decide which delicious treat to tackle first. Get ready to dive into the sweet science of baking and confectionery, discovering the distinct processes that bring these beloved desserts to life. Let's begin our sweet comparison. Making a classic cheesecake involves several key steps for that perfect creamy texture. First, prepare a simple graham cracker crust, pressing it firmly into your pan. Next, combine softened cream cheese with sugar, eggs, and your chosen flavorings, mixing until just smooth to avoid over-aeration. Baking in a water bath is crucial for even cooking and preventing cracks. Finally, a long chill time, at least 4 hours, ensures your cheesecake sets beautifully and is ready to enjoy. Crafting your own chocolate from scratch is a rewarding process, focusing on precision. You'll typically start with cocoa mass and cocoa butter, melting them carefully. The most critical step is tempering, which gives chocolate its characteristic snap and shine. This involves melting, cooling, and then slightly rewarming the chocolate to specific temperatures. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your desired molds and let it set completely at room temperature or in a cool place. This ensures a professional-looking and tasting result. The fundamental difference lies in their creation. Cheesecake is a baked dessert relying on dairy and eggs for its structure, while chocolate making is a confectionery art, focusing on cocoa solids and tempering. Cheesecake offers a rich, tangy creaminess, often served chilled. Chocolate provides a diverse range of textures and flavors, from bitter to sweet, and can be molded into countless forms. Both processes demand attention to detail, but yield incredibly satisfying results. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to help you explore more delicious recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.